Hello everybody, welcome to Andy's Beer Reviews. It is day 21 of our Yorkshire Craft Beer Advent Calendar. So without further ado, let's crack open number 21. It's a bottle, I don't need to dig too deep. And it is a bottle of Yorkshire Heart Snowflake. It's a winter pale ale, coming at 3.7% ABV. Yorkshire Heart, good little brewer, based just outside. Where's my thing? Just put it over there. Based just outside York. Yeah, they do really good stouts. I'm thinking of which, I think I reviewed this last year as well, if I remember rightly. Yeah, they do really good stouts and porters. That's a good thing about liking stouts and porters. A lot of breweries, most breweries, are really good for some reason doing stouts and porters. I don't know why brewers seem to be really good at it, but they are. Craft beers from the heart, winter pale ale. Right, so that has poured clear and golden. Really nice fluffy head actually. Looks good. Let's get the nose in there, shall we? It's got that golden ale vibe to it. It's malty. There's a citrus aroma in there as well. Lemony. So yeah, it's got that golden ale vibe going on. Let's try it, shall we? Cheers everybody. Definitely golden ale vibe. Yeah, on the flavour, it basically follows the nose. Nice malty flavour, so you get the sweetness from the malts. You get a nice little bit of citrus coming through. But it's got a really nice spiciness to it. It's not Christmas spice, it's a peppery spice. So yeah, right, it's not a really nice tingly peppery flavour on it as well. It's actually quite nice. Does it make it warming? Does it make it a good enough reason to call it a winter beer? And I don't think it does. I think it's just another one of those that calls itself a winter pale ale in this case. Just probably to try and sell a few more this time of year. To probably call it sunshine. It's the sort of thing that they call sunshine in the summer months and call it a summer pale ale. But ignoring the fact of what it's called, it's a really good beer, really good pale ale. Enjoying it. It is really smooth. Almost feels like cask. It's got that sort of feel to it in the mouth. Really crisp, really refreshing, really smooth. Yeah, it's nice. It's with that spiciness, that pepperiness comes a really nice gentle bitterness at the back end. It feels like a long bitterness as well. It feels like it'll stay around for a little while. our seasonal pale ale brewed using Marisota malted barley, Cascade and Willamette hops, and our own house yeast and our own spring water. Produce an easy drinking, crisp and refreshing, this is what we said, perfect to enjoy any time of the day. It is crisp and refreshing. It's smooth, crisp, refreshing, tasty, very much got that golden ale vibe, which is I quite like it softer than golden ale. It's just so easy to drink. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. I think I'm going to score that 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10 from Andy's Beer Reviews. If you're drinking tonight, please enjoy it. Until the next review, cheers everybody.